Hey everyone and welcome back. Getting poor transcriptions from Otter.ai? The problem is usually your audio quality. Let me show you how to fix it. First, get close to your microphone. Otter performs best when voices are clear and close. Keep the mic near your mouth. Second, reduce background noise. Turn off fans, close windows, and avoid echo. Be careful with noise-canceling mics as they can distort voices. Third, avoid overlapping speech. When multiple people talk at once, Otter struggles to separate speakers. Pause briefly or let each person finish their sentence. Fourth, if recording online meetings, use Otter Note Taker instead of manual recording. Note Taker captures the internal audio stream directly, giving much cleaner results. Fifth, if using Chrome, check your audio settings. Type Chrome ://flags in the address bar, search for echo cancellation, and disable it. This experimental feature can block meeting audio. Sixth, for multiple people in one room, use an omnidirectional microphone to capture sound from all directions. And that's it. Clean audio means accurate transcriptions. Follow these steps and your results will improve dramatically. If these tips helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.